Love 'em or hate 'em, Discord bots are an essential to becoming a big Discord server owner. And choosing the right type of bots, things like music bots, point bots, or game bots, are really hard if you don't know where to start from. So that's why we're going to be talking about it. We're going to be talking about where you should get your bots from, how you should choose your bots, and much more. So let's get right into talking about Discord bots. Let's get into it. So let's start off with how you guys should choose bots for your Discord server. So the easiest way to tell you guys how to do this is easy. Just take it from some of your favorite Discord servers. So I already know little Jakey over here is gonna go down into the comments and tell me, Gooey, this isn't a helpful step. Well, listen, this is the easiest step because it doesn't take them much time to do. The reason is because if you see bots in big servers, like let's say Pokemon's Discord server, Call Me Carson's, or Discord servers like that, you know the Discord bots are official. Because if they're in big Discord servers and that big server owners are using them, that means that small server owners could use them and it would help them out a lot. You don't need to do this though. If you don't want to look like you're hopping from bot to bot, like trend to trend, like Fortnite to Among Us, you could easily use a site called top.gg. So top.gg is a site I use to get my Discord bots for my Discord server. And you can find some unique bots on there that are unknown and have a lot of potential and make your server look super unique. Quick disclaimer real quick, I'm not sponsored or ever have been by top.gg. I'm just shouting out the site because I use it a lot to get my bots. Just wanted you guys to know that because I just rewatched the last clip and it sounded like it was a whole sponsored segment. So just wanted you guys to know that. Let's get back into the video. So now that you guys know where and how you should choose Discord bots, let's start talking about types of Discord bots and how many you should put in your Discord server. So the first type of bots we're going to be talking about are the music bots. So music bots are bots that let you play videos inside of a Discord voice call. So you could play Minecraft videos or any type of video or some music inside of a voice call, and it really helps. Some examples of this are bots like Rhythm Bot and Pancake Bot. So how many music bots do you need in a Discord server? The maximum amount you need is 2. The reason is 1 might be in use, and that makes sense. But that would mean that no one else could listen to music. That's why you should have 2. But if you have more than 2, people might just start adding them all to the same call and make it a lot of ear rape, meaning it wouldn't be good for the Discord server, and having more bots means more clutter, making the Discord server look worse. The next type of bots we're going to be going over are the minigame bots. Some examples of this are bots like Dank Memer and Epic RPG. So what a minigame bot is a bot that lets you play little games inside of Discord, and it's really cool. The maximum amount of minigame bots that you should have inside of a Discord server at once is 2 to 3. The reason it's more than the music bots is because minigame bots are all different. They all have a different minigame built into them. And this could be super cool if you want to have 3 bots with 3 different minigames, like a point bot and Pokecord or bots like that, which really could help out the Discord a lot. And music bots are all the same. You get 2 music bots and they'll do the exact same thing, but minigame bots are all different. That's why you need a maximum of 2 to 3. So the last type of bots we're going to be going over are the moderator bots. Some examples of this are bots like Me6 and CarlBot. So what are moderator bots, you may be asking yourself? Moderator bots are bots that allow you to disable a swear word by deleting the message, not allowing server invites inside of your server, or adding a feature where you can use reaction roles. So how many moderator bots should you have in your Discord server? Well, this one's fully up to you. The reason is moderator bots do help out a server a lot. But again, the same thing with clutter and all that. You could find a moderator bot that does a lot, but doesn't have some features than another bot. This one's up to you for that reason. If you guys need any more help choosing any more bots, I have my top 5 favorite bots linked up in the cards over here. So if you guys want to go check that video out for any more bot information, I got you. Well, boys, that's all the bots we're going to be talking about for today. If you guys did enjoy this video, consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss any other uploads. Be sure to consider hopping into my Twitch stream. I stream on Twitch every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, sometimes Monday. We're always chilling in there, playing some games, vibing out. And if you got any questions for me, I'm always down to answer them. You should also consider joining my Discord server. If I'm not live on Twitch, I'm always in there chilling, having fun, doing some movie nights, doing some game nights, or just chatting in the Discord server. Link to all these down in the description below. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, boys. Peace out.